Como da balansar tra música e traha ao aqui?
I want to say you don't. In the sense that sometimes you're going 100, dus boting ko trabo 8 horas, now you gotta put in the 40 hours, but you probably also gotta put in the 15 to 20 hours extra patrari babo music.
Yeah,
And
right.
other times you have different concerns. Dus
Priorities,
boting ko po ni music banda pa o focus riba outra coisa riba família, cas. If you have made music, you now have to go out and promote said music because yung in the
Different bag.
so there's no room to make more music. But we'll get back to that. Turco
Yeah.
con ang tempo.
See, but to get it, the last day I'm going to shout out over the balancing. Like, hoping at the business, no, but between work-life balance,
That's a fact.
Maria Lisaku, the most
think that
successful people in
exists.
life,
Don't
nothing
have
work-life
work-
balance.
No.
Nothing work-life balance.
There's no such thing. You will not be successful. See, but well, I guess we just stop cooking. That's not.
Yo, we all need a work-life balance. We don't all get a work-life balance.
That's true. A mim pensa que a school mas tem harmonia ne con ang kubota assim. Não tá sinti mani bopa duna letterlijk 100% na turcos.